So here we are on a beautiful April morning here in Raleigh, North Carolina. I was called out for a carrier air conditioning unit, this package unit with no heat. We noticed that the air on the inside, the thermostat was working, but no air was coming through the vents. Came out, cut it on. Sure enough, the induced fan motor was going, the flames were going, and the system cut out with the blower motor not running. So we're here to replace the blower motor today. As you can see, I've already removed the blower. It's the blower cabinet. That's where the indoor air goes through, and the heat exchanger there looks in good shape. While we have the blower out, we'll inspect the heat exchanger. And the pipes look pretty good. And the indoor coil looks in pretty good shape. So yeah, we ohmed out the fan motor. So we pulled out the fan and got it sitting out here next to the vehicle. We've ohmed out the fan motor. Sure enough, it's shorted out. So now I just got to pull it off, take it apart, and we've got the new fan motor here, which is right 1/3 horsepower, 208, 230 volt. And we're going to reverse the leads to get it to a clockwise rotation on this one. And the speed on this one is a 107.5, but the existing motor was 180. We read that right off the motor label down there. And we'll put a new capacitor on for this new motor. It should be good to go. Here we have just removed the fan from the motor shaft, and next step, we're going to take off this collar here, put the new motor in the existing collar, remount it to the fan blades, and then remount the fan to the fan housing here. I'll see that in just a second.
The one thing that I love to break,